Modern hardware advancements have been rapidly incorporated by Chinese smartphone manufacturers into their flagship models. Samsung has taken longer to incorporate these innovations. To add a number of features to its upcoming S24 model, the Korean business is concentrating on using AI. Samsung is improving image processing even though the primary camera hardware change seems to be a 50 megapixels telephoto lens. They want to improve the quality of both images and videos by using the AI capabilities and algorithms of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU. When taking pictures at an amazing 200 megapixels resolution, the S24 Ultra is anticipated to provide superior image performance in low light. According to trustworthy tipster Ice Universe, the S24 Ultra will include a night mode function that would greatly improve image quality. Even though the S23 Ultra is already remarkable in these areas, it sometimes performs poorly in situations with high noise levels and very sharp details in low light. Samsung may position itself as having one of the greatest smartphone cameras on the market if it is able to resolve these issues with the S24 Ultra. According to the tipster, this phone has AI features that allow it to recognize and adjust settings for 12 distinct subject kinds while taking pictures at 200 megapixels resolution. We don't know what optimizations the phone will carry out, but it could be able to identify items, take different approaches to handling their dynamic range and color subtleties. The upcoming S24 Ultra smartphone may feature a default image capture resolution of 24 megapixels instead of the standard 12 megapixels, according to a leak yesterday. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will shoot photographs at 24 megapixels by default instead of the 12 megapixels, claims tipster Ahmed Quader. Although his tweet wasn't very clear, it seems that he intended for the S24 Ultra's default image resolution to be upgraded to 24 megapixels. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.